There we go. Hello, friends. My hair is so blue. It's so blue. Look at that. It's so blue. I'm Jazz, and if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Guess what we're doing today? And I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm currently in my fairy den. That's why it looks like this. So we are doing an unboxing today, and I have absolutely no idea what is in this package. This is my package. It's really damaged, and I have a theory. That my post office man, what are they called? Mail people? I can't think of words right now, but I have a theory that he's out to get me. Story time. A few weeks ago, I had ordered a package and they ended up losing it. It ended up getting delivered to the wrong address, and I called customer service and was like, yo, where's my package? I won't go too much into detail with it on this video because I do have an unboxing on that package, which I'll get a little more into. Details. Thank you very much. I'm thinking maybe the guy that delivered my package to the wrong address is mad at me for some reason. Maybe he got in trouble. I don't know. Anyways, so back to this guy. I literally have no idea what's in here. It says it's from Wish. However, the last time I ordered something from Wish, it said that it was still processing the order, and I had ended up choosing for it to be sent somewhere so I can do an in-store pickup. There were so many words in that sentence. If you've ever ordered from Wish before, it's a shopping website / app, and it's really terrible, but I'm addicted to it. So basically, it wasn't supposed to be sent to me, it was supposed to be sent to the store for pickup. Sometimes I literally feel like I shop in my sleep. Shopaholic. Hop right into this unboxing. I know what it is now. Okay. Look at this. Just picking it up. I didn't dye my hair blue until after I had ordered this, so it might look kind of funky, like wearing this crown with my blue hair. I don't know. Ooh. Wow, I'm gonna wear this to Disneyland. It's beautiful. It's so cute. Can you see this? I'm really happy with this. So that was it for my unboxing of a unusual item, unknown item. I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. The button is down yonder. Go ahead and give that a click. Also, follow me on Instagram. My handle name is @GJandJasmine. I'll put it somewhere here and in the description box, maybe. Yes. And I'll do a video later. Okay, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. So I was like sitting down taking pictures, and a butterfly came. Oh my gosh, it's gone now. Dang. And I really just wanted to get like more shots of my crown because it's beautiful. So let's go into the sun. Can you see it? Tell me.